Diksha, again connected to you all to talk about the latest happening which is still going, that is the locust attack, right? And this is also known as the Tiddy Dal in our common language, and it has created terror among the farmers of India. Not only India but also of other countries where this is happening. So please subscribe my channel to get latest updates of such news. As we know that the situation in India is already very tough due to the present coronavirus, and now there is another problem which is invading to deal with, right? So this locust attack is not happening in India for the first time. India has faced such locust attack many times in between 1800 to 1900, where the largest locust attack was in 1993 when 3 hectares of cultivated land was destroyed by these locust army. So if we talk about the present situation in India, the regions which are affected by this locust attack is Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and some regions of Punjab are also affected. Yes, Delhi and NCR are also in danger. Let's try to understand the life history or the life cycle of this locust insect. This insect belongs to the family of grasshopper, but it has 2 different phases which makes it different from the family of the grasshoppers. The first phase is the solitary phase, in which this locust insect is alone or single in its own habitat. It is not in group, it is the single insect, and absolutely this phase, that is solitary phase, it is not harmful. And the other phase is the gregarious phase, in which it makes large groups which are known as swarms. And this condition of gregarious phase occurs when the eggs of this locust insect get favorable condition, and these favorable conditions can be monsoon or heavy rainfall. So the fact is that the egg of this locust insect can survive in the harsh conditions of the desert for more than 200 years. So whenever the eggs of the locust will get favorable condition, you know they will multiply, they will breed, and their number will get increased. They make groups which can be about 30 million to 80 million of locusts, and these groups are now known as locust swarms, and they have capacity to travel about 200 kilometers in just one day. Moreover, they have capacity to finish food equal to 10 elephants or 25 camels, or 2,500 of people can eat in just one day. So from this data, you can estimate how harmful they are and how much destruction they can create. So if we talk about the locust attack of this time, it was started from the deserts of Ethiopia, from where they covered the region of Red Sea and reached the region of Southwest Asia. And the region or the countries which are affected in Southwest Asia are Iran and Pakistan, from where they have entered into India through Rajasthan. The problem is not their high multiplication rate or their large number. The major problem is that they get favorable conditions when monsoon arises, and the monsoon season has already struck in the region of Maharashtra. So this monsoon will make super favorable condition for their breeding.
Hello friends. If there is problem, then there must be a solution. Like jahan cha wahan ra, right? So the first solution is the spray of chemical pesticides through aerial ways, जो कि किया भी जा रहा है, बट this chemical pesticides can be used in some limits. The overuse these chemicals are harmful for the crop also. And if we go for eco-friendly pesticides, then they are not that much effective on the locust swarms, and the results are not that much good. Next is the use of sound or DJ booths, which is happening, and this method is being used by farmers also, but this is a small scale solution. We can't use it for large scale. The next method which we can approach is similar to biopesticides. So what are biopesticides? बायोपेस्टिसाइड्स में हम एक ऐसे एनिमल को यूज़ करते हैं एज अ प्रीडेटर जो कि हार्मफुल एनिमल को खाता हो. लाइक वी कैन यूज़ द लॉकस्ट इंसेक्ट एज अ फूड फॉर द हैंस और फॉर द बॉयलर्स इन द पोल्ट्री फार्म, राइट. सो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द मैथड. गवर्नमेंट एक इनिशिएटिव ले सकती है दैट फार्मर्स विल कलेक्ट दोज लॉकस्ट इंसेक्ट, एंड गवर्नमेंट जो है उन्हें थोड़ा पे भी करे इसके लिए, और ताकि वो लॉकस्ट इंसेक्ट जो है वो पोल्ट्री फार्म में दिए जा सकें फॉर टू बी यूज्ड एज अ फूड. नेक्स्ट इज द फैक्ट based method that one duck can consume about 200 of locust. So if one duck is consuming 200 locust, so we can create an army of duck which can be used against the army of locust, right? So these are some solutions which we can approach.
So friends, you and me sitting in our houses in cities can't even make an idea of this rate of destruction they have caused to our economy or to the cultivated lands. Now think about those farmers who do very hard work for their livelihood, and their livelihood is only dependent upon the cultivated land which has been destroyed by this locust attack. I think they are in very pathetic condition of this wreaking coronavirus and now this locust attack. So I wish that you are trying to understand the situation and you will pray for a hardworking farmer so that they can get over this problem as earlier as possible. Thank you.